Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Triominos, a fun and strategic tile game. First, shuffle all 56 triangular tiles face down. For 2 players, each draws 9 tiles. For 3 or 4, each draws 7. The player with the highest triple tile, like 3-5, starts. They place this tile and score its face value plus a 10-point bonus. If no one has a triple, the highest total value tile starts, scoring its value without a bonus. Once the first tile is placed, play proceeds clockwise. To make a move, match at least 2 numbers on your tile to an open side of a tile already on the table. The touching numbers must be identical. If you cannot make a valid move, draw 1 tile from the well, incurring a 5-point penalty. If that tile doesn't help, draw up to 2 more, each costing 5 points. If you still cannot play after drawing 3 tiles, your turn ends, with a total 25-point penalty. Scoring in Triominos involves more than just placing tiles. Each time you play a tile, you earn points equal to the sum of its numbers. Exciting bonus opportunities exist too. If you form a bridge by matching one side and an opposite point, you earn an additional 40 points. Completing a full hexagon by surrounding a central point with 6 tiles grants a generous 50-point bonus. Also, placing a 000 tile to start the game gives a 40-point bonus. The game progresses through rounds until a winner emerges. A round concludes when a player successfully plays their very last tile. This achievement earns them a 25-point bonus, plus the combined value of all tiles remaining in their opponent's hands. If the game becomes blocked and no one can make a move, the player with the lowest total tile value in hand wins that round. The ultimate victor is the first player to accumulate a grand total of 400 points.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.